Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is me trying to put a bolt on the top of the wind turbine to put a brace on top because the other brace did not fit and I ended up burning out the other bearing. So this is me trying to put a different piece on top, and to be completely honest, it didn't end up working. So this is just showing you guys my trial and error period. It's the next 30 seconds of this video. So thank you guys, and later on in this video I'll show you guys what I ended up doing. So thanks for watching. Alright guys, so I'm switching up my tactic. This is going on the bottom of this wind turbine, and the top is going to be free spinning. So that'll be fun. Alright, hopefully you guys can figure out what I'm doing. But, so, this piece right here is going to be welded onto this motor, which is underneath the welding table. It's the black stuff. But, we're going to see how well I can tack. But, don't hold your breath on this one. Alright? Alright, well, let's see if we've got it tacked on relatively straight. That looks like it might fall off. Maybe. Let's see if we can get it into a better position. Alright, well, let's see if we've got it tacked on relatively straight. That looks like it might fall off. Maybe. Let's see if we can get it into a better position. And this is going to be a very delicate mat. Well, it's relatively straight. So, let's get this welded the rest of the way on. Make sure you guys can see this. Sorry about the wind noise. What I'm doing right now is cutting a notch so that this will fit onto the wind turbine base, or at least part of it. So always helps to have, if you're wondering, is go to either Ace or Lowe's or whatever, just so that you guys are aware. I am not sponsored by anything. So, any other questions can be asked in the comments, because talking to the camera is kind of not as fun as watching you guys watch my videos. So, that sounds creepy, but whatever. You guys get it. And I want to thank all of my subscribers. At the current moment, it's all 8 of you. So, and if you're new to the channel, if you like the video, subscribe. If you don't like the video, leave a comment. Tell me how I can do better and how I can earn your subscription. That sounds even worse. But you guys know what I mean. Alright. So let's cut this, figure out what we're doing, alright? I know this is a grinding wheel, but I don't really care at this point. You guys are wondering why I was using a grinding wheel? Well, to be completely honest, I was being a little weird. But we're going to make this about 10 times better. Maybe 8. Alright, throw that cutting wheel on there. You guys hate my dad jokes? I'm sorry. Then again, I don't think that's so very many on this channel, so... Alright, so I'll call that about 20 times easier than using a grinding wheel. I don't know about you guys, if you guys have made it this far. You're probably bored out of your mind, or you're enjoying it. I don't know which, but tell me in the comments how far you make it through the video. Honestly, just really helps out the channel to figure out exactly
where I fall off and where I falter. And right now, I have no music that I'm listening to. So, this is very boring to me. Alright, that doesn't look half bad. Let's clean up the other side. That looks real bad. If you guys are looking, that's how it looks. Just make sure you guys can see. Still using reclaimed pieces just because just because it's easier. Because people get rid of scrap, and scrap's easier to get a hold of. Alright, that looks okay. Let's figure out where we'll put it.
Well, it's not the worst in the world. Not the best, but definitely not the worst. Seen worse. Alright guys, tell me in the comments if you guys want me to get a GoPro or something to see if I can do just a little better. What do you guys think? Think it'll hold? Tell me in the comments if you made it this far. Or this part may not even make it in. Who knows? Alright guys, thanks for watching the final portion of this video. Stay tuned for part 3, which should be coming out pretty soon here.